We love venturing into the wild, feeling that primal connection with nature, but we must remember we're not alone out there. We share these landscapes with powerful creatures. With more folks heading into the backcountry, encounters are on the rise. A bear crashing your camp can turn dangerous fast. That's why today, we're talking about bear proofing. It's about your safety and protecting these magnificent animals. Now, surviving a bear encounter isn't about brute strength, it's about understanding your opponent. Bears are smart, curious, and their sense of smell? Forget about it. 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. They're not out to get you, but they're opportunistic eaters. Problem is, once they link humans with easy meals, their natural fear disappears. That's when things get dicey, usually ending badly for the bear. So, we learn their habits, anticipate their moves, and prevent those unwanted visits. Choosing where you pitch camp is your first line of defense. Avoid areas where bears are likely to hang out, berry patches bursting with fruit, well-worn animal trails, riverbanks where salmon might be running, and if you see bear scat or fresh tracks, that's a clear sign. Move on. Look for open areas, flat ground, good visibility. You want to spot any wildlife from a distance, no nasty surprises. Here's a trick I learned years ago. The 100-yard rule. Picture a triangle. One point is your tent, another your cooking area, and the third, your food storage. Each point at least 100 yards apart. Why? Because if a bear gets a whiff of your delicious dinner, we don't want them sniffing a straight line to your sleeping bag, right? This triangle creates a buffer zone, your own invisible force field of safety. Now let's examine our food storage. This is where people can slip up big time. In bear country, hard-sided bear canisters are often mandatory. They're tough, bear-proof, and keep noses out of your snacks. If using a bear bag, hang it properly, 10 feet up, 4 feet out. Knot tying skill comes in handy. Listen, I love a good campfire fry-up as much as the next adventurer, but in bear country, we keep the menu basic. No sizzling bacon that carries for miles, no fish feasts, and go easy on the garlic and spices. Dehydrated meals are your friend here. Less smell, less mess. And remember, all cooking gear gets stored with your food, far from your tent. This one's crucial, folks. We need a zero-waste policy. And I mean everything, food scraps, empty cans, even those tiny things we forget about, like peanut shells, tea bags, orange peels. Pack it all out in sealed bags. Don't even think about burning your garbage, and burying it is just an open invitation for a digging bear. They can smell what's underground from an astonishing distance. Leave no trace. Remember that super nose? It's not just food that attracts bears. Anything with a strong scent is fair game. So toiletries, insect repellent, even scented sunscreen, treat it like food. Store it all away securely. And if you can, opt for unscented versions of everything. Trust me, smelling like a forest is a good thing out here. Now, I'm all about using your wits and wilderness skills. But in bear country, bear spray is your best friend. It's not a toy, it's a serious deterrent. Keep it on your person, not buried in your pack. Practice drawing it quickly. And remember, it's a last resort. After a long day on the trail, your tent should feel like a safe haven, but it's amazing how many people bring the outside in. Rule number 1, no food, ever, in your tent. Shake out your sleeping bags before you crawl in, there might be crumbs lurking, and avoid wearing the same clothes you cooked in. Think of your tent as a sterile zone. Even with the best preparation, encounters can happen. If a bear wanders into your camp, stay calm. Don't run or scream, make yourself look big. Raise your arms, speak firmly. If it stands up, it's usually just curious. If it charges, stand your ground. It's often a bluff charge. So there you have it, folks. From food storage to scent control, every detail matters. Being prepared shows respect for nature and fellow campers. Respect the bears and enjoy the wilderness safely. A bear-proofed camp is a peaceful camp. With knowledge, planning, and respect, we can share these landscapes. Let's keep the wild wild. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the trail.